Good morning, guys. Welcome back to day 2 of the canoe trip here. I'm gonna be honest, I didn't sleep well at all. It's pretty freaking cold out here. I've got layers, but I should have packed differently, I think. Either way, I ended up getting up at like 3 in the morning, started the fire again, and I did end up falling back asleep. But it was a long night. Anyways, I had my breakfast already. I had an extra meal because I caught the lake trout, so I decided to use that with some eggs because I was super hungry and it hit the spot. But today, we are gonna climb up this cliff that is behind me. I can't stop staring at it, so I wanna go to the top and get the view from up there. And then we'll come back, probably have some lunch, and then we're gonna head out onto the next lake. Yeah, I'm ready for the day. So let's get started. Well, guys, this was definitely worth the climb. It's beautiful up here. What a beautiful lake. Honestly, I'm surprised there's not like a better trail to get up here because this is friggin' beautiful. Like, what a lake. Honestly, I'm so glad I came out on this trip. On the way up here, I found this like weird cave. The coloring's kind of off because I hit a button. But something was definitely bedding there. You can see a bunch of paw prints and stuff. I did not get any closer than I had to. I just got a quick shot, got out of there. It is that time of year. It's April, so bears could be coming out of hibernation. They could be hungry, irritated, and I want none of that business. So anyways, I'm gonna be cautious on my way back down, but what a day already, and it's just beginning. Well, guys, it has turned into a pretty wet afternoon out here. As I was checking out that waterfall over there, I was throwing a couple casts, even though it was only like 2 feet of water. It started spitting, so I came over to this campsite just in case, and then it stopped, so I started eating lunch, and then it started again, so I started collecting wood, and now it's been about 3 hours. It's pretty steady now. Not sure if it's supposed to continue on. When I checked the weather before I came out here, it didn't even say it was supposed to rain today, so yeah. Not sure what the rest of this trip is gonna look like, honestly. I was supposed to be at this lake tomorrow, and that would have been my final day, and now I'm already here. Yeah, I don't know. This lake's supposed to have brook trout in it. I tried fishing, but obviously right now it's not the best for that. I'd like to try some more, but I really don't know what the rest of this trip holds. Tomorrow, I might end up heading out tomorrow if weather like this keeps up, because it is way too cold to be hanging out in the rain. Yeah. All right, it has been many hours yet again. I tried to go fishing and I was just exhausted. It's been a long couple days. I haven't slept much in like the past week, and finally it hit me, so I decided to take a nap. And now that I've gotten up, I've got some water on to make dinner tonight, which I think is going to be pad thai, so hopefully that's pretty good. But I wanted to show you what my shelter is looking like tonight. So you may have seen earlier I had a tarp set up. Well, we have it set up over the picnic table. And I have set my mattress and everything up on top of the picnic table, and that is going to be where I sleep tonight. My tent, it's a tight quarter, and in this colder weather, it creates a lot of condensation on my tent, and not feeling it. It was just like if you moved at all, you were getting wet. So we're going to try something different. It's also no bugs, so we're taking advantage of that, and we're being open to the elements. It's also sturdy. It's a nice flat surface, so hopefully that goes well tonight. Hopefully I get a lot of sleep. It's felt great for the last couple hours, so I'm sure it'll be fine for the night. Anyways, let's make dinner. Oh! A little too much water in this one. It's pad thai soup. It's actually so good though. Soup and all. Hot cocoa. I'm in love. Oh. I can feel that warm in my insides. I expect another chilly night tonight. Every night I think was below zero the nights I'm out here. And I'm in a 5-degree sleeping bag because I don't want to pack a bigger one, so just gotta toughen up. Alright, I'm gonna eat, and then maybe we're gonna catch a sunset. Well guys, it ended up being almost perfect day now. It's clear skies. Hopefully we see the stars tonight. Got a fire going. Yeah, a little bit of rain. Sometimes you just gotta deal with it. But yeah, what a trip so far, man. It's only been 2 days and so much has happened. From the lake trout, we climbed a cliff this morning. Got to see some wildlife with balloons and beavers, lots of ducks. I'm finally getting into the groove of the camping vibe. I was really in a rush to just accomplish things, and now I'm like finally feeling some peace, you know. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna head out tomorrow. I think I'm gonna make the most of this trip and see as much as possible. There's a waterfall and then a few other lakes that I think I'm gonna try and tackle and get the full experience while I'm here. I might as well. Yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna enjoy the fire and I will check with you before I head to bed. Alright guys, that's it for another day. Hopefully I can get a good night's sleep out here on this picnic table. And hopefully I don't roll off in the middle of the night. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. And until next time, just keep going. One day at a time.